Hello guys and welcome back to another video. But in today's video we're playing Animal Company. Now I have played Animal Company before because you guys have seen it in my shorts that I have played it, but I haven't made a full video about it. And I'm joined here with Mr. Chicken. He's creating his intro, so I'll let him wait. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna buy some stuff. There he is.
Why are you buying stuff? Wow.
Buy your stuff, Carl. We're gonna go in. Gyat! Gyat!
Nah.
Anyways, guys, let's get on to the video now. Let's go get the boombox.
Yeah, sure, boombox.
Hey, we're almost here to the boombox. Oh, bananas.
Oh, come on. Wait a second. Look, it's a red robot. It's a green light, red light robot. Look.
The Sigma? You can go through it.
Oh.
Alright, guys, we're here. Hey, let's see how much money is left.
How much money have gone down?
6. After
Yes, I gave me some
this.
chicken.
After this.
Wait, I'm yellow. I'm a chicken.
Bruh,
Oh.
you're not a chicken. You're a gyatster.
What?
Look behind you.
Oh yeah.
Where is he?
The right way.
It's Booty Cheek Man. Uh-oh.
Indiana Jones.
Run!
I'm one tap.
Come over here.
Why
Just
did he
run.
hit me?
Go. Yo, free loot. Yo, Ruby. Hey.
Oh my gosh, it's a gym. Come on.
Ooh.
Let's collect all the loot we can. Hey. Oh, big banana.
The landmine right there. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy.
Hey, where you at?
Oh, my storage is full. It's really full.
Hey, you're my flashlight. Ha.
Oh, my flashlight.
Oh, I'm out of here. I'm not trying to die.
Yeah, I'm out. Wait, how much?
Bro, get one tap. Bro, he get two tap me.
Oh. No. There's still
Bro,
stuff over
yes!
there. Okay, come on, let's get some money and buy some stuff.
Yeah, sure.
Yo, the goal in the video is let's see how much money we can get by the end of this video. Yo. Give me. Ugh. 400, 500, 600.
Oh, 600. Oh, 607. Never mind.
Nice. See what we could buy.
Yeah, sure. Oh, hopefully I can buy so much stuff with it.
I'm gonna hang on to
What
this
should I buy? Ah, no.
for the monsters. Now, okay, we're here now, so. There he is.
It's my brother.
Hold on. Let me. Bro, I was gonna throw the grenade at him.
He doesn't like me.
Flashlight. Yo. I missed. How are we gonna pass? You won't let us.
Oh, I know. You go. Let me go to the end. You distract me.
Yeah, you go this time. I'll distract him. No! Oh, he's still alive, guys. Haha, El Bozo. Come on. Uh-oh. You're after me now. Yo, go get the egg. You record. You're also making a video too. Alright guys, we're going back to the thing, so I'll just cut to over there because it's a long walk. And we're back, guys. We're back at the...
Oh, yo, trying to put away all my loot.
Yo, we made it. Okay. Alright, with the Sigma. Yes! How much
What
money?
did we get?
429.
400. Let's go. Oh, 430.
What?
430.
What the? Oh, I'm back. What the? I took off my headset like for a second and then it kicked me out.
You're teleporting.
Yeah, I know.
Nah, hacker,
It
hacker,
stopped the
hacker,
recording.
hacker.
It stopped the recording.
It's a
but
hacker.
I
It's a hacker.
see if I.
It's a hacker, guys. He's hacking.
What the Sigma?
He's hacking.
What? Yep, it saved the recording. Alright. Anyways, let's get back to the video. Alright. Yo, guys, we're gonna go in a public, alright?
Wait, why? We aren't done yet.
Huh?
We aren't done yet.
Go in code 12345. Oh, we're here. Alright. Let's go see what we can do in this
Oh,
level.
free backpack.
Oh yeah, free
Okay,
backpack.
open up.
Check if there's no grenades. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's
Yeah,
go.
check this.
Let's see.
Hey, look behind you. Look, there's a monkey right behind you.
Monkey. Come on. Yo, go to channel 2.
Done. I'm in channel 2 now.
Are you sure? Oh yeah, you are.
Done.
Yo, over here.
Ooh. Hey, look, it's me.
How's everybody running? Black
That's all
booty
right.
cheek man.
I hate him so much.
Haha.
What the?
Bro knocked you
Okay.
into oblivion. Oh, run! Somebody activated the guy.
Then what's he gonna do? Kill us?
Oh, yeah, never mind. I had to get one back. Well, why is there a flare gun?
Where is empty?
Alright, come on,
Come on,
chat.
get the loot. Come on, get all the loot. So why am I in a public lobby?
To shake your booty, shake your booty.
What?
Shake your booty. Shake your God! Come back here! Come back here! Come back here!
You copied me. Let's go.
1,000? Dang.
$200.
Alright, let's go. Let's go check on the angler. See if people are over there. Down there.
Who's he?
Chat,
Wait, who is
are
he?
you going down? Are you going down to the angler?
No, I'm not going down there. So
What?
this is why I got my flashlight out.
Yo, hey you, yo.
Yo, bro, there's free gold down
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, bro, free gold.
No, I'm actually
there
serious.
is-
No, the cave down there has a bunch of
I'm
gold.
not. Well, I'm not new. I know this. Okay.
Yeah, but the cave has a bunch of gold. You should know that if you knew.
Yeah.
I know that, but if you guys, so are you guys a scaredy cat?
No.
No, we just
Then
need
why you
somebody.
not going
We're
down?
trying to record a video. We need somebody to come with us.
Yeah, we need YouTube. Because I'm kind of scared.
Let's try making an anglefish. And there he is.
Where?
Where?
There he is.
Right there. You see it?
Sorry,
Oh, what
go
the
down
heck is
there and
going-
activate it.
I don't have a bomb.
No,
I don't have
like
a bomb either.
flash a light at it.
I don't have a bomb.
Yo, hold on. How much
You have
money
a-
do I have? I'm gonna go buy a big flashlight. I'll be right back.
Go. Yo, go back. Yeah, two people went down there.
Giddy.
It's bright as heck. Yo, go down. Yo.
He's right there. He's right there.
Run!
Oh, shoot, run.
I just tossed the flashlight across the. Run! Run! The angler's coming. Somebody buy a bomb.
He didn't buy me a backpack.
Run!
Yo, noob, I'ma go get the Inkler.
You know what that means? Huh? What's happening? Hey guys.
Holy Spirit.
Ah! Oh my. Run! What are you doing, bro? Guys, we're cooked. We're cooked. Say GG's now, guys. We're cooked.
Yeah.
He's coming! Yo, he's not anywhere. What are you guys talking about? Where is he? Ah! What the Sigma?
Dinosaur Steve?
I'm gonna kill it with the...
Crowbar, please.
Huh?
Yo, I can't buy you crowbar.
Nah, I'm good. Yo, who wants to come with me to the angler? Who wants to get some really good loot? I just tossed my controller like a crust.
Naughty.
Bro, I'm saying go down there, not...
Oh god.
Run!
Oh god.
What the Sigma? Wait, he's not here. What are you guys talking about? Oh, yup he is.
See?
Run! Other way!
Definitely out of here. Definitely.
Hurry up, let's go! Hurry up, let's go! Come on!
Go!
Let's go! Let's go get the loot already!
Go to the cave. We escaped the angler, guys.
Imagine we just popped up.
Oh, what the? Ah! Ouch.
What did it
despawn,
though? I also had a backpack with
No,
some
it
kind of
doesn't.
stuff
Your
in it.
loot doesn't despawn. Only the firearms.
Guys, shut off your lights. Shut off your lights.
To get you everything it's in your sight.
Phantom tax.
It can only get you
Teleporter in here, by the way. We don't have to do anything.
Let's go!
We made it. Bring out your flashlight. Let's go get some loot, guys.
Hey, bro. What you got?
Guys,
Oh,
that's the angler.
what the?
What?
Who let out the angler, bro? Oh wait, where'd you
Oh
get
my
a freaking
gosh.
egg from? What? I'm gonna take that.
I have a
Guys,
grenade
here's the plan. Here's the
inside of
plan.
this
Yeah,
back-
Whoever killed us, mark
some
your days.
kids who thought they were so smart. Let's go.
Wait, hold on. Wait for us, bro.
Hey, whoever. You're next, bro.
Let's go to the angler.
Yo!
They can't. How did you afford a tablet? You just started this game.
Run! Uh-oh. No. Ooh, what happened? What happened?
I just killed so many people.
Bro, I got killed by the red light, green light monster. I was getting chased by the angler.
Rocket, look.
That was a terrible aim.
What the heck?
What the?
You should just drop down.
What's wrong with
Oh,
the
the
angler?
English is out.
Oh, they're distracting it. Come on, guys.
He just wants a hug, bro. Y'all don't understand. He's sad. Come on, bro. Give me a hug.
No, RG.
Booger.
Run, guys, run.
Booger! You're a booger, bro. You're a booger.
Guys, he distracted them.
I'm a booger.
Guys, come on, let's go. He distract.
Everybody go!
Never mind. He's coming.
No, there's someone at top.
Run, everybody. He has a gulag. Wait, I have a gulag too. So
Wait, you have a
we're both
shotgun?
dangerous.
Who has a shotgun?
No.
Guys.
Hide.
What?
I'm about
The
to
angler.
gulag you. Now.
The angler?
What color are you guarding?
I'm not doing this.
Wait, where is he?
Person that's being guarded by the anglerfish. What color are you?
Oh, 3, 2, 1, go!
It doesn't matter.
I'm good. Guys, I'm back.
Almost
Mr. Chicken.
died.
Are you talking? Oh, that isn't you. Mr. Chicken, where'd you go? Oh, he
I
died.
died.
Come back. Buy some
ED.
rockets and come back. We're still on the mission. This is our sacrifice.
This is the end.
Let's go!
Go!
I had enough. Enough is enough.
Yo, let's just run into the angler. Run into the angler.
Anchor!
Don't move. If we die, the video ends here.
Anchor, where you at? I've had enough of you.
Archie, we made it! Ah!
Run! Run!
Oh, this is a dead end! Oh, Archie, run! Oh. My backpack! My backpack! Oh,
Here, have my backpack.
oh. Guys,
I repeat, everybody, go to the anglerfish. I repeat, everybody, go to the anglerfish.
oh my god,
No, I'm
bro.
good.
We gotta go, we gotta go. Come on.
No.
Okay, chat, it
no.
didn't end. Do you have a
And
flashlight
also,
in here?
if you're going to the anglerfish, do not bring flashlights.
Oh, looks like this isn't the end.
Oh,
at
when
all.
you get hurt,
I know it
it's
sounds
like
dumb.
your vision like gets weird.
So, yeah.
What the heck?
My vision's
Listen here.
weird. Bro, my vision's weird.
Necessary fact.
Bro,
Yeah,
like
but
my
this is not
screen's
weird.
cracked. My screen's cracked when you get hit by something. Like it's static. Oh, Archie!
No, 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 no! Oh,
Oh, down here. Oh, this is the most dangerous cave in. Oh, not again! Oh,
oh my gosh! Bro! Stop going down inside! Get out of here, the worst! Hold on,
there.
there's two ticking bombs. There's two ticking bombs.
no, bro.
There's two-
Teleporter.
Shoot.
What just exploded?
There might be landmines everywhere.
Chat. Ah! Hello. Take cover.
He died!
There's another one. So why's your booty like that?
What?
Nothing. He made it. He made it! Get us out of here!
The end of the video.
Alright,
Let's
guys.
go! Yes!
Alright, guys. This is the end of the video right here.
Yeah, well, this is the
Anyways,
end of the
don't
video,
forget
guys.
to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe,
What the-
guys.
Who'd you say? Anyways, guys, this was
Oh, no.
such a funny video to record,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
and hope you guys like it. Anyways, to end this video, I'm gonna be going out in style. Uh oh.